Encountering a zip code problem when porting your number to Straight Talk. It's usually due to coverage verification or address mismatches. Straight Talk, as an MVNO, needs your zip code to align with either Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile's coverage in your area. First, use Straight Talk's coverage map to confirm your zip is supported for your chosen plan. If an error occurs during porting, immediately contact Straight Talk support via phone 1-877-430-2355 or chat. Provide proof of address, like a utility bill or ID, and request a temporary porting hold to update your address for verification. After updating, the port should complete within 1 to 2 hours. To avoid zip code issues during porting, ensure your billing address is current and up to date. Avoid using a P.O. box, as carriers require a physical address for verification. For rural users facing coverage gaps, consider using a nearby zip code that is legitimately covered by Straight Talk. However, always use accurate information to avoid fraud flags. Straight Talk is increasingly using AI to automatically correct zip code errors based on user data. Additionally, eSIM porting offers digital verification that can bypass some traditional address checks. Looking ahead, expect even faster porting processes with technologies like blockchain for secure and instant address verification, reducing errors significantly. If zip code problems persist despite these steps, consider filing a formal complaint with the FCC for mediation and resolution. The ultimate goal is seamless porting, so stay informed about coverage updates and be proactive in verifying your information with Straight Talk.